Hello guys, welcome back. This is the OPPO A15 and today I'll show you how to put the device into recovery mode. To get started, hold the power key and select power off. Once the device shuts down, indicated by a vibration, hold power and volume down at the same time. You'll see the OPPO logo and then recovery mode below it, at which point you can let go. Tap on the language you want to choose and you're in recovery mode. From here you can install updates, wipe data, or format data. Wipe data lets you retain contacts, messages, and photos, while format data removes everything. You also have options to reboot or power off the device. Simply tap on the option you want, confirm it, and it will proceed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.